Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. So last week was quite slow for indices, especially at the beginning. I didn't have much opportunities to trade, but Thursday and Friday were quite good to jump in. All the trades from NASDAQ, US 30, also DAX, they were against main direction. Yes, so because price was retracing to the daily levels, so all those trades was in the retraces. Right now, let's see what we can achieve and what can happen maybe in upcoming week. Okay, this is DAX. So you see that here on the 1 hour chart we had this up move. Yes, this up move together with the 4 hour chart up move. Yes, you see this, but all of this is just the retracement from the daily chart. Okay, so if we pay attention to the daily, you see that price was retracing and right now just stopped around the 36 EMA, which is our active support and resistance level. In this case, this will be resistance zone. So let me delete unnecessary lines right now. And let's quickly check what is going on the weekly. Okay, so after this down move, right now weekly definitely is pointing down. So what can happen? It might be situation that we'll have a little bit deeper retracement to the resistance. Okay, to the resistance here. Price continue. We will have a bounce and we will have continuation of this down move. Okay. But if you pay attention also to the monthly chart, this still looks like a monthly long 1 to 3. So maybe this was just a retracement to retest the levels from the monthly chart because this is strong support zone here. And we'll have again continuation in this up move. Okay, but this is like a real big picture right now. Okay, so this it will take time to achieve this, but we just want to have an idea what Simply Price can do. Yes, just to understand market behavior. So right now, weekly chart is in the retracement. A retracement might happen to the 12 EMA also, and then price might also drop again. Yes, of course, if we have continuation to the in the down move, of course, our goal is the previous low. Yes, so this is the point where price might to go. In case of the breakout, of course, we will have next levels. Okay, I don't want to draw any levels here. Let's go to daily chart to see what we have here. Okay, so we have more details. This is our strong resistance level, which is also visible on the daily. On the daily chart, we have this trend line here. Okay, so this also might be situation that price will reach this trend line together with the resistance, which comes from the daily and weekly, and then reactions and continuations. Okay, but we are already on our profit zone. Price is making for now daily short 1 to 3, so this might be a situation that price will drop and continue to go down. This is also good information for swing traders. Okay, so if you are interested to take swings, this is also a good scenario. Yes, so if price breaks your 2 to 3 line here or here, you can start to look for the 4 hour chart entries. Yeah, so this is also a nice opportunity. So on the 4 hour chart, what we have, if we pay attention to trend line, this will be our trend line here. Okay, so we have this line, or we can change the angle and we will draw a line like this. It's like with the 1, 2, 3, almost 4 touches together with the 36 EMA. So this is a little bit better line. We know that we are currently on the 36 EMA, so this is also our resistance. But do we have any resistance here? If we scroll back, you will see that we might to have, we might to have also level of the resistance. So it's not only the 36 EMA, but this is also level for DAX. So what can happen? The price might still struggle here. Maybe we'll have false breakout, something like this. And then after breakout, of course, we just look for short entries. Yes. So then if price breaks this, any retracement is to sell on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart. If price struggle here, okay, and then we have breakout here, that price might reach this area here and then might continue to go down. So in this case, of course, if price breaks this resistance, we can pay attention to longs, target this area, and then we will wait. Okay, then we can take extension of this trend line, and if price starts to bounce here after breakout of this trend line, we again know that we can have chance that that price will continue to go down. If we have breakout of this area, then price will probably will go again up, and our, of course, the highest level where we would like to see the price is this previous top. Okay, so in between we also have resistance here. Okay, so in case of the breakout, we have those levels. In case of going short, this is our support zone. Yes, so basically we have this support, okay? But if price breaks this, yes, together with the 36 EMA, we can look for short entry. So we have to find another support zone, and another support zone will be here, okay? So this is our next level, and of course, next level is down here, okay? So this is the situation scenario which we would like to do here. And if we go to 1 hour chart, there is also another option to trade, if you like, because if price retraces to the 4 hour chart 36 EMA, okay, here, you can still try to buy this and target resistance, okay, because it still might stack here. So for intraday traders, it will be okay to trade this. It will be like a 4 hour chart bounce on the 36 together with this support zone. Yes, we have this support area here. So this is where you can look for longs. This is still good target. Another option for intraday and scalpers, it's like after retracement to the 36, you go to 1 minute chart and you still try to catch long entries, maybe to retest again the previous stops. And for bounce traders, if price will reach this level, and you will see like we have spike, but it's not breaking this, okay, but it's just making like a retest and then it's reversing, you can try to look for short bounce entries and this target this, okay? So this is for intraday trading. Of course, we don't know right now how market will open, but you have some ideas where price might to go. Yes, I just draw the lines like this. We will see what will happen. NASDAQ. NASDAQ, let me just delete the lines. It's pushing up right now. So it broke quite strongly, pushing up. It's breaking daily 36, but let's go to weekly. We will see. So even monthly, just to pay attention to monthly, okay? So monthly, you see, we said that price might retrace to this level together with the 36 and might push up. So monthly chart definitely looks differently than DAX, because you see here, we are still above the 36 EMA. So this is only like, really only a retracement. There is no right now option that like a really long-term trend change. Okay, this is only still retracement on the monthly chart. Weekly, of course, weekly looks like we might to get still continuation to this support. Okay, this is also the 36 EMA. However, right now this candle is quite strong. So this might be also a situation that really price continue to go up. Of course, if price continue to go up, this is our next area where is our target. Previously, in the past, we also had situation that price broke the 36 EMA, then went up again. So maybe this will be the same. Also here you see price broke, then started to go up. But generally, we will see. Daily chart now. It's quite interesting because if we pay attention, price is breaking daily 36 EMA, okay? We have this double bottom here. Price is breaking right now the 36. So let's see where is our next resistance. Resistance is basically right now here, okay? So this is one area, and the next area of the resistance, we can say that on the daily chart might be here. In between, we also have smaller level somewhere around this area, okay? So we have we have next levels. This is our next. Okay, so we have levels in case of price decide to go up. So what this might be? This might be break. Yes, this might be break, and simply price will continue to go up, or false breakout spike and another push down. Okay. And then maybe if this is false breakout and price decide to go down, maybe we will be in this range. Okay, who knows? This is just the scenario. Right now, price is quite strongly pushing up. So and it's breaking the daily trend line together with the daily 36 EMA. Okay, so of course, if you are a swing trader, you don't need to have too many levels. Like here, I just point them out for day trading. Okay, if you are a swing trader, you can just delete this resistance, yes, and you can just leave this because you think from the different perspective. Okay, so you are not much interested on the levels from the 4-hour chart. Yes, so this is our area. So what we can do right now as an intraday trading combination, let me just a little bit adjust those levels for this. So 4-hour chart is pushing up. It's breaking daily 36 in the trend line. So for now, any retracement for us is option to buy. Okay, so right now we go to 1-hour chart and we see that price went up quite strongly on Friday. Unfortunately, I couldn't try and couldn't trade on Friday. So this retracement option to buy. Okay, target resistance. Yes, if price breaks this resistance, of course you wait for the retracements and you buy. Yes, so right now it's pushing up, so any retracement simply it's to buy. We can think about trades against main direction at least when price breaks 1-hour chart trend line. Okay, so then we can try to look, okay, let's try to take sell entries, and then our goal is 4-hour chart 36 EMA. Okay, and when price reaches the 36 EMA, then you can again try to buy this, but keep in mind where you are on the daily, because if we have 4-hour chart retracement to the 36 EMA, we will be below the daily 36 EMA, and this starts to look like a spike. So in this case, if you plan to trade this on the 4-hour chart, just lower your risk, okay? Because this might be a situation that this is only like a false breakout. We will get some signals, and then maybe price decide to drop again. Or if this is like a double top, then you know that price might bounce, then we will just draw the line and then we can look for short entries. If price breaks, of course, this resistance, you have next level where price might stop and the next one. Okay, but right now options are just to buy this. Okay, US 30 US 30, let me delete all the lines right now. Weekly chart, or start with the monthly. So monthly, you see this is only like a spike on the 12 EMA. So this was not even a bigger retracement on the monthly chart. Yes, for US 30. Okay, so it's still pushing up. So monthly chart starts to look like it wants to go up, and also weekly chart doesn't look like it wants to go down anymore. Okay. So if price decide to go up, our resistance is of course previous top, and then if price breaks this, we will of course create new tops there. Okay, so we go to daily. Here it's a little bit easier because it's clearly visible that price is breaking the 36 EMA. So let's try to look for resistance levels, and again also here prices around the resistance zone. We have next resistance up here, and of course next one will be somewhere around this level. Support zones are of course on the previous bottom, so this is our next level where price might to go. Right now it's pushing up, so it's also really easy. Any retracement, it will be like NASDAQ, any retracement option to go up. Okay, so you right now wait for the 1-hour chart retracement and you try to buy this. Okay, 4-hour chart retracements, you try to buy this. This is our trend line. And also here, if you see that price is breaking 1-hour chart trend line, you can start to pay attention to sell this to target 4-hour chart 36 EMA. But right now, we just pay attention for buys. Okay. So this is US 30, US 500 will be more or less the same. Yes. So the difference between, for example, US 30 and US 500 is that on the lower time frames, Dow Jones is more volatile. Okay, so than, for example, US 500. So it's much. If you want to find a little bit slowest in this index, US 500 is the slowest one. Then I would say you can pay attention to NASDAQ, and Dow Jones is the fastest one. Yes, so you can get a lot of, for example, 1 to 3s on the US 30 than on the US 500. Yes, so this is difference between those. Okay, so we have area right now with the resistance. Yes, so basically here is the resistance and here. So this is all area of the one. So we can just say, okay, we are around already, or we can still have this spike. So also here, yes, exactly the same scenario. Retracement, you buy, okay? 1 hour chart retracement, yes, you can just simply buy this, okay? So this is the line, but yes, this is the line here. So any retracement is option to go up. You have next levels where price might to stop. This also looks like a breakout of the 36 and the trend line. So there is chance that price will continue to go up. You have next levels. Of course, always we try to target the previous high. Because we pay attention to weekly chart, so this is our like a long-term goal. Yes, and then we will see if price also breaks this new highs. If not, we will see. Okay, so right now we want to buy this. We go to Japan index. We see that our scenario happened here. Yes, we said about the breakout or breakout here to go short and go long. Breakout happened and also broke levels, next levels. So let's see what is now there. Okay, so we have like a monthly chart, retest of the 36, retest of this support zone. So this looks like a weekly, monthly long 1 to 3. So what we expect continuation and target the previous top. Of course, right now weekly is still below this trend line, so we can still have situation that price, will stay for a time here, or after breakout, of course, this line, then we have open door to this resistance level. Right now, it's quite strong move to go up, and this is also resistance area right now for the price. So if you pay attention to daily chart, you see that we are around the resistance. Yes, we are around the resistance. Next resistance on the daily. Let's just unzoom this. Of course, keep in mind that indexes like to spike. Like if you are used to Forex, you might see that we have a lot of spikes here, and those spikes are really big often. Yeah, so keep in mind about this. It's a little bit more difficult to draw levels like support and resistance levels if we compare the whole situation for Forex. Okay, so if I say about the resistance, we are already on the resistance, but price can easily, go even to this level. Yes, and then we will see just spike and then the retracement. So you need to get used to this. Yes, it's a matter of practice because we also have resistance here, as you see. So, but basically we are already on the resistance because we also have spikes here, also spikes here. You see, so this whole area, to be honest, is the resistance. Okay, but if we want to pay attention, this is the next highest point of this resistance. Then we have, of course, this trend line, and the next area of the resistance, this is next one, you see this, and next one will be around this area. Okay, so it's quite close to, they are quite close to each other. Okay, anyway, right now daily is pushing up. Okay, so there was daily trendline breakout together with the 36 EMA breakout. So also here retracement, we buy retracement to the 4-hour chart 36 EMA, to the 1-hour chart 36 EMA. Okay, so any retracement is your option to go long. Okay, so this is what we have. The best. This is the line on the 1-hour chart, so it's the volatility line. Okay, so we don't need this line. We just use the 36. So retracement to the 36 is option to go long. If price breaks 36 EMA, you can pay attention to sell this. Into retracement to the 4-hour chart 36. Then after retracement, you can again buy. Okay, and the last one is Aussie index. Also here we had breakout. Yeah, so price here we had this try to go down, but then price reversed and went up. Okay, price reversed and went up. So let's see what we have on the weekly chart. Let me maybe delete the line. It will be easier to See this monthly chart also here. You see a not big retracement, only just the retest of the 12. Price didn't go to the 36 exactly. Weekly, this is our previous resistance, so there is big chance that price will go and retest again this previous stop. Also here, yes, we don't have any previous high, so if price breaks this resistance, it will create new highs. Okay, so we go to daily. What we will see here, resistance is right now. We also have next level a little bit higher. Next one is here, and the next one is up here. Yeah, so we have a couple of them, but price can really, this is big distance between all of them. Yes, but price can, if we have momentum, price will simply break them without any problems. But for intraday traders, you at least know where price might to react. Yes, if you want to catch some small moves. Okay, so we have levels like this. For swing traders, this is enough what you need to draw, to be honest. Yes, this level and this level. So you see, we also have to keep in mind that if we do swing trading, we don't need to have a lot of levels. We need to have levels which are really key levels for a possible retracement. But if we are intraday traders, we need a little bit more of them, because we need to close our positions or manage positions around those levels. Okay, because every single retracement on the 4-hour chart might kick us out. Even a retracement on the 1-hour time frame might kick us out. So we have this trend line right now, but you see, we cannot draw good line. We don't have good angle, so we just use the 36 EMA. And also here, if price of course breaks this level, we have next levels where price might to stop. And now also here, any retracement on the 1-hour chart, 36 CMA. If we pay attention to trend line, maybe this, not this, we have to draw like that. Okay, so any retracement, long entries. Okay, target this. In case of the breakout, we have next target. Okay, of course, if price breaks this trend line, then again you can look for short entries against main direction to target the 4-hour chart 36 EMA. If price reaches the 4-hour chart 36 EMA, then of course we want to buy this goal. If price, breaks this, yes, if price breaks this, retracement to the 4-hour chart 36 EMA, and again we target this, and then next and the next one. Okay, perfect. So this is all for this. So thanks for watching this. I hope we will get nice trades in upcoming week. And hear you soon. Bye.